Hi everybody, in this video let us discuss about how we can perform insert and operation in a doubly linked list using C. Let us consider a list like this. The input for this operation or the list in which we are going to do insertion, the position where we are going to insert and the data what we are going to insert. Now let us consider a list like this and we have got the new data 60 to be inserted at position number 3. Let us assume like this. We have to create the node, put the data in the data part, and then we have to create a temporary pointer, let it point to the first node, and let us have a counter is equal to 1. We have to move temp to node at position -1. Okay, so we'll be using this counter to keep track of the node at the position. So each time when we move the temp, we will increment the counter. In this example, we have considered at position 3. So the loop will stop when temp reaches this particular node, and then we have to make the necessary changes in the link so that it gets attached at position 3. Let us call this as a new node. What we are going to do is we will make the new nodes previous is equal to temp and new nodes next is equal to temp next, right? We should be very careful when we are working with the link, right? And we have to tell temp next. Before changing temp next, we can change this temp next previous. Actually, I have to change this part to point to the new node. How will I refer to this part? I have only one pointer. Having two pointers is not a wise idea. I am having only one pointer. How will I access this as temp next previous? When I tell temp next, it refers to this node, and when I tell previous, it refers to the previous part of the node. That is equal to new node I will tell, and also I will tell temp next is equal to new node, right? These are all the changes that I will be making, and the corner cases that we may have to consider, or when the position is 1, we can just call insert beginning, and also we have to check whether the position is valid. Actually here there are 5 nodes. If I give the position as 7, then it is invalid. That should be taken care. So when we are moving temp, we can just check whether temp becomes null, right? Or when temp becomes null, we can just return false, or when we will move temp only till it is in the last node, and then we can check the counter also. That is the other way. And the other case is when we have to insert at the end. That is when there are 5 nodes, and if you give the insert at the position 6, we are going to consider as valid. So that case also we have to handle. That is when we come out of the loop if position -1 is counter and temp is equal to tail. That is the case. Okay. So let's write the algorithm formally. Input for this operation is going to be list, data and the position. And in step number 1, we are checking if position is 1. You are going to call insert beginning and return. Otherwise, you are going to create a node using create node function. Check whether create node is successful, otherwise return false. And then if the node is successfully created, make temp to point to the first node and initialize counter equal to 1. And you are going to move temp while it is not pointing to the last node. You are going to repeat step number 6 and 7. In 6, we are checking whether we have reached the node at position -1. In that case, you will break, otherwise increment the counter and move the temporary pointer. And after coming to step number 8, right? That is after terminating the loop, it might have terminated due to break or this condition failure. We are checking whether we are in the right node, right? So counter equal to position -1. Let us check. If that case, we have to repeat steps 9 to 13, right? So what do we do here? We check if temp equal to tail. That is the case what I was telling about. If there are 5 nodes and the position is 6, it is valid. In that case, when counter is at position -1, temp will be at tail. In that case, we have to call insert and function. Otherwise, you make the changes whatever we discussed. That is making next part of new node equal to next part of temp and so on, right? And you will return true. When step number 15 will be executed is when your loop has terminated because it has moved outside, right? That is cases when position is 7, when there are only 5 nodes and so on. So let's implement this code. First we have to make the declaration in the header file. That is already done. Okay, and in the CPP C file we are doing the definition. So we have to have declaration of new node as well as temp, right? Let us do that. And then we are checking if position is 1, right? If position equal to 1, then we will just call insert beginning for data, and then we can return whatever was there. Otherwise call the create node function and create the new node. We will pass the data alone. If the node could not be created, if new node is equal to null, then we have to return false. Insertion could not be done. Okay, so return false. Otherwise we will tell temp equal to head, right, and counter equal to 1. We have to declare counter. I missed that. Let us declare it. Counter equal to 0. We have to initialize also. And then we have to tell while temp is not tail, right? While temp is not equal to tail, we have to do step number 6 and 7. So let's put it in the brace. In step number 6, what we do? We check if counter is position -1. That is, we have reached the node. Okay, we will just return, sorry, not return, break. We will just break. Otherwise you have to increment the counter plus plus and move temp to the next node. Temp equal to temp next. Let's do this. Yeah, and when we come out of the loop, we have to check whether your temp is, if counter equal to position -1, we have to do step number 9 to 13, yeah, maybe 14. We have to return also, so it should be step number 14. Up to 14 we have to do. What we do, if temp equal to tail, we have to check that. If temp equal to tail, then you call insert end and return insert end function with data, right? Call it. And otherwise what you're going to do, you are going to make the next part of new node next is equal to temp next, right? New node next is equal to temp next. Previous part of new node, right? New node previous is equal to temp, right? This is done. And previous part of new node previous is equal to previous part of next node of temp. Sorry, yeah, it is temp next previous. Okay, temp next previous, that's what is said. Previous part of next node of temp, right? So that is equal to new node and next part of temp, right? So temp next is equal to new node, and we have to return true, done, right? And this is the condition when the position is not valid, return false. Okay, so the code is done and I have returned the application where I have inserted two values 1 and 2 using insert and function. So 1, 2 will be there, and then I am calling insert at the given position. That is value 3 I am inserting at 2, right? And then 4 is inserted. So we expect the code to print 1, 3, 2, 4. Let's see whether there is any compilation error before that. Yes, there are so many errors that I have to deal with. So let's see. Okay, so this is a procedural programming C language. So I have to pass the list also. When I am calling, I am not passing the list. That is the major problem. Okay, L comma, right? And when I am calling insert beginning also, I should tell L comma, right? This is one problem. And what else? Head. When I am referring, I should tell L head, not simply head, it is L head, right? And then anywhere else, yes, when I am accessing here tail, I should tell L tail. And yes, anywhere else I have accessed. Let's compile and check. That is while temp not equal to null. In line number 66, I have to tell L tail. Yes, let's execute and check. Yes, it is printing 1, 3, 2, 4 as we expected. Now we will make changes in the position and check. Let me tell position 1, right? When I tell position 1, it should print 3, 1, 2, 4. Okay, 3, 1, 2, 4. Let's compile, check it, 3, 1, 2, 4. Yeah. Then let me tell 3, comma 3. So in this case, it should print 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a crucial case. Yes, working. Let me give 4. Actually, this is not valid. It should not insert. Yes, it's not inserting. So we are getting 1 to 4. Okay, so I will share the code in the GitHub. Thank you.